Okay, what we got right here is some spaghetti, goddamn me. Extra sauce. So yeah, yummy. I can't wait to make my plate. And down here in the oven, as you guys can see, some stuffed bell peppers, just how I like it, goddamn me. Yes sir, yummy. Look at that right there, which is on my profile picture on my page. I love it. It's my favorite thing right here, these stuffed bell peppers. Steam coming up off that joker, melting the skin off my damn bone. Goddamn me. Yeah, so I'll tune y'all in when that get done finally. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Stuffed bell pepper, goddamn me, spaghetti, meatballs. I ain't had the meatballs in there yet. And we're gonna do broccoli with cheese tonight. Oh yeah. I'll tune y'all back in. Oh yeah. Yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy.